Good morning. Today we'll discuss about the AWS account creation. Yeah. So as I told, to learn Linux, to learn AWS, to learn DevOps, first we need to create AWS account. First we have to create AWS account. Inside AWS only, we are going to launch Linux machines and practice Linux commands. Inside AWS account only, we are going to use AWS services, and in this account only, we are going to learn DevOps tools, their installation, and their procedure. Everything we'll be discussing inside AWS account. And what type of AWS account we are going to create? Means AWS free tier account. Free cloud computing services, AWS free tier. We're going to create this 12 months free, this free tier account. What they are offering here means they're offering some limitations. EC2 service, you can use monthly up to 750 hours for free. Means you can run EC2 instances up to 750 hours. They will not charge any billing. If you exceed 750 hours, then they'll start generating the bills. And even in S3 service, they're offering 5 GB storage for free of cost. If you exceed 5 GB storage, again, they'll start generating the bills. Similarly, RDS, Relational Database Service also, per month, they're giving 750 hours usage of database. If you exceed 750 hours, again, they'll start generating the bills. Like that, for each and every service, with certain limitations, they're providing the offers in free tier account. So this free tier account only we are going to create, which is absolutely free for 12 months. Only if you exceed the limitations, then only they'll start generating the bills. Now, how to create an AWS account? This is the URL, aws.amazon.com. aws.amazon.com. This is the URL. Here you can see sign in. If you already created an account, from here you can sign in to the AWS account. If you don't have an account, if you want to register a new account, click on create an AWS account. Create an AWS account. Generally, it will not ask for you. Right. Create an AWS account. This is the first page. Sign up. Once you click on create an AWS account, this is the first page here. Root user email address. Give your email address. Like you already have your personal Gmail account, right? Well, I have my email ID like arvindtrainings@gmail.com. So whatever registered email address, your personal email ID, whatever email ID you have, give that email ID. AWS account name, give any name. Like here I'm giving Aravind Trainings. This is my account name. Now click on verify and click on verify email address. Once we click on verify email address, AWS will send one OTP verification code for this email. Log into your Gmail, go to inbox, check for that verification code. Like it will send you one code like 134276, some 6-digit OTP kind of thing. You need to enter that OTP. So after clicking on create an AWS account, it will ask it. Verify email address, then they'll send one verification code. So you need to enter the verification code here. Confirm or you we have sent an email with a verification code to this email ID. Log into this email, go to inbox, check that code like something 2341176 and click on verify. If the number is correct, your email ID verification is done. If your number is correct, then you need to set up your own password for your AWS account. Give root user password, then confirm your password. After that, Karthik, please admit the friends. Next, sign up. Here it will ask you contact details. How do you plan to use this AWS account? Is it for business purpose or is it for personal use? So this AWS account we are creating for personal work, to practice AWS services, to learn AWS, to learn DevOps. So that's the purpose we are creating this AWS account, right? So this is a purely personal use, not for organization purpose. And who should we contact about this account? So you need to provide your contact details. If you are staying in India, give your India phone number. If you are in US or some other countries, give that region numbers. Why? Because you will get a verification call for activating this account. So don't give some random number. Why? Because your verification will fail again. If you give proper number, then only they'll verify. In the next page, credit or debit card details. Always the first choice is use credit card, either Visa card, MasterCard, or American Express. Use your credit card, enter your credit card details, give your expiry month, year, and name on the card holder, like whatever name is appearing on that credit card, enter that name with CVV number. And billing address, like whatever you have given in the previous page, that will show here. If you want to use the same address, select that address, or else you can give a new address. And PAN card. Do you have PAN card? Yes. You need to give your PAN card number. They'll send one OTP to verify whether that credit card belongs to you or not. If the card belongs to you, then you will receive one OTP. If you enter that OTP, they will deduct 2 rupees from your credit card. This is just for verification whether this credit card belongs to you or not. Once verification is done, like they'll approve, okay, your credit card is like verified. Then in the next page, you need to confirm your identity by selecting these details. So name, what name you want to give for your AWS account. This name I have given in the first page, right? So I have chosen by clicking on the radio button. And primary purpose of account registration. If you click this drop down, there are many options, like for business purpose, organization, personal use, student, like many different categories are there. choose personal use. And ownership type also, you'll get plenty of options. Choose individual, because this is creating tool in AWS. Document type here, we are providing your PAN card details, like select PAN and enter your PAN card number. Select this checkbox. This is mandatory to give the PAN card number. So I give your PAN card number, select the checkbox and go to next page. Here, you need to confirm your identity for verification purpose. Choose anything, either text message or voice call. If you choose text message, you have to enter your phone number. They will send you one OTP. If the OTP is entered as it is, then your mobile number is verified. Otherwise, you can choose voice call. If you choose voice call, you will receive one automated call from AWS. Like if you want to confirm, press 1. If you don't want to confirm, press 2. Like this kind of automated call you will receive to verify your mobile number. So choose anything, either text message or voice call. Finally, you need to select a support plan for your AWS account. There are 3 types of support. Basic support is the first one, which is for free of cost. You will get basic support from AWS. Next one is developer support. This developer support, if you choose, we need to pay $29 per month. If you choose business support, we need to pay $100 per month. Means if you need any help from AWS support team regarding business related, you need to choose this one. But the cost is $100 per month. If you need any support from AWS developer related things, you need to choose this. This is the cost. Basic related support like account activation, account deactivation, like billing related. But these kind of you no need to pay anything. You can get that in basic support free of cost. Once you choose this basic support, then click on complete sign up. Once you click on complete sign up, it will say like, congratulations, your account has been created. Now, if you want to log in, click on this button, go to the AWS Management Console. Once you click on this, go to the AWS Management Console, it will redirect you to sign in page. We have created a root user, right? So select root user, give your email address, click on next, then password, then login. This is how AWS account creation will work. I have given unmute option. If you have any questions, you can ask me.
Sir, it is not problem. We are giving our bank details.
No problem. AWS will not misuse your credit card details, PAN card details. This is to verify.
Sir, can I pay through debit card?
Debit card sometimes it will have issues. So always first priority is credit card only. If credit card is not there, then go with debit card.
Okay, sir.
Secondary, but primary option is credit card.
Okay.
So Aravind, how it works in the real time?
Which one?
It's in the real time. Are we going to create any account?
No. In organization level, we are not supposed to create any AWS account. This is just for learning purpose, practicing purpose. In real time, there will be only one AWS account. That account is created in the name of unmute. Okay, so that AWS account is created in the name of project, and whoever working in your team, they will access existing AWS account only with IAM user credentials.
Okay.
But not everyone will create AWS account. Let's say there is one AWS account created in our project. Our project is Zomato project. So with the name of Zomato, they will create one AWS account. And in that team, there are 5 cloud engineers. So these 5 people will access the same AWS account only. Assume his name is Ram. Ram will access this account with his own credentials. as a cloud engineer, like as a manager, he will give access to RAM. Like username is RAM, password like some 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. No.
Okay.
Sai also has to log in, but Sai will not use RAM 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. He will have his own username, like Sai Kumar, password ABC346. But he will also access same AWS account. Like everybody is accessing to the same AWS account with their own credentials. That means this AWS account is sharing access to multiple cloud engineers, but not each and every individual has to create their own AWS account. Got it?
Yeah. Thank you.
Aravind, both the platforms will be same. I
Can
mean
you,
that, yeah. I mean, we are now using a free trial. There we can get in version. Sorry, 1 minute.
your
Here
name?
we are getting a Renuka.
Okay, Renuka,
Kishore.
please join with your name. You join with Kishore name.
He is my husband. I'm not editing.
You join with your name from next time.
Okay. I have a doubt. Has the platform at present we are learning is different from has the platform while going into the office? Both
Same,
are same.
same.
Same. Okay. Has you stated that we of Swiggy account, there will be 5 or 6 engineers and their login credentials will be there. What type of account it is? Has starting we can have a personal account, office account, as you stated, office account is something. Which category it will came under?
That is business account.
That is business account. Oh,
So this is free tier account.
it is free tier account. Oh, thank you.
Like both look same. You cannot identify the difference. Like both look similar only. Here charges will not be applied. Their charges will be applied. In free tier account, charges will not be applied means only up to certain extent only. As I shown you in that free tier account limitations, 750 hours, 750 hours, up to certain time only they will not charge. Once you exceed that limitation, they'll start generating the bills. Understood?
Yes, Arun.
So this AWS account creation will not take you more than 5 to 10 minutes. You keep ready with your credit card, keep your PAN card ready, and whatever the email you want to register with your AWS account, make sure you are logged into that Gmail, because again, if you forget the password, you need time for verification code. So if you keep the things ready, you can create your AWS account like within 5 minutes only. So will you all create AWS account by Monday?
Yes, Arun.
Any doubts in AWS account creation in anywhere? I'll show you from starting onwards. Click on create an AWS account. So
Sir, what are we going to do in this account?
we are learning AWS and DevOps. Clarified?
Okay.
So the first page, it will ask to enter your email address. Then you need to give your name, give your full name. Then click on verify email address. Once you click on verify email address, it will send one OTP, verification code to your email. Log into your email, enter your verification code, then click on verify. Then successfully verified. You will receive this kind of message, successful message. Then set up your password, root user password, and confirm root user password. What type of account you are planning to create? Business account or personal? Choose personal account. Then enter your details, phone number, your name, your address, city, state, country, everything, and submit. The next page, credit card details or debit card details. First priority is credit card. That too, you see here, which one is authorized one, Visa, MasterCard, American Express. And then whatever the cards it is displaying, You need to choose one among them. Then you will get one OTP, enter OTP for verification of your card details. Then to confirm your identity, enter your PAN card details. Choose personal use for an individual type account. This is to confirm identity, like mobile number. They will verify. You can verify using text message or voice call. Choose basic support because it is free of cost. Then account is created. You can log in now using root user. That's all about AWS account creation. Any questions?
Arvind, after 12 months, the account will get deactivated automatically?
No, it will not deactivate. Account will be there, but they'll start generating the bills. So you no need to worry. You can create one more account. It's free of cost. If you have one more Gmail ID, this time use a new Gmail ID, new password, like new card details. Again, you can create multiple. Till now, I have created around 15 AWS accounts, 15, 20 or more.
Arvind, we have to give the new mobile number also.
Yes.
All are new. Email ID,
Yes.
card details, and mobile number also.
Yes, yes. Otherwise, it may fail, like at any stage, your account will not be activated if you use the existing details, same details. Okay.
And I have one more question. After 12 months, the charge, right? So they will deduct automatically from our account, or else how it works?
No, they will not deduct even 1 rupee also automatically. You need to pay the bills manually. They will not deduct anything. If at all you are interested to pay. Otherwise, you no need to pay.
Okay.
Right.
They will ask us.
Yes. They will send you email invoices.
If you want to update our account, what will be the charge?
You cannot update your account. There will be only one.
I mean, for the free time, you have said they will send the message regarding you have to pay the amount for the services. Approximately, what will be the charge?
Based upon the services you use.
Okay.
You're not able to see my screen, right?
Yes.
Okay. See, they'll send you mails in this format. Your Amazon Web Services account statement for March. Every month they will generate the bills. Hello, from the AWS accounts receivable team. Here is the statement of your account for March. So how much? 28,000 I received. Only for March month, the bill I got is 27,190 rupees. In the month of February, I received 1,167 rupees. Then in April also I received, like for April month, one more invoice I'll be receiving. They'll see for 3-4 months. If I don't pay the invoice, if I don't pay the bill, then they will suspend my account. Your account is about to suspend like this. Your account is about to be suspended for non-payment. That's all. But other than that, they cannot do anything. Maximum they can suspend your account. What we'll do if they suspend? We'll create one more account. No, I don't want to suspend my account, means you have to pay that 28,000 rupees. Which one is better? Paying 28,000 or creating new account?
Yes, we are giving 90 minutes per month. Will it be sufficient for us to track this and all? Or we should create another account?
90 minutes per month. What do you mean by that?
They are showing that 90 minutes per month for this account.
No, not 90 minutes. not 90 minutes. So once you create your AWS account, you need to sign in. Right. See, these are the limitations you're getting in the free tier. Where did you see that 90 minutes? Can you tell me?
Last 90 minutes per month. Okay.
This is a different service, customer manage. What is it? Amazon Connect. 90 minutes
Okay.
per month. This service we don't use. Even if you use also, what they'll do? They will generate the invoice. You will not pay. Create one more account. If you exceed it, but this service we are not going to use. No need to worry. Still any questions? Any questions? Log into your AWS account. Mr. Dilip Reddy, please don't mark the screen. This is sign in page. Here it is asking. Uh, enter your account details, account ID, username, password. But we did not create IAM user account. We create root user account. So click on this. Sign in using root user email.
Aravind, what is the difference between root account and Dutch account?
First time when we create an AWS account, that is called root account. First time. Like, now I have shown you how to create the account, right? So that is called root account. So I have created a root account with the name of Aravind Trainings. Now assume this is our project. Aravind Trainings is our project. And you all joined in this project as cloud engineers. No. Once you are inside the project, will you access Aravind Trainings account or each of you create new AWS account? Hmm?
I'm not getting the point.
Whoever getting the point, respond. Listen carefully. If you're asking something, listen carefully. First time when you create the account, that is called root account. Here I have created one AWS account in the name of Aravind Trainings. So assume this is our project. In this project, there are cloud engineers. Like you people are cloud engineers joined in our project. So now will you create a new AWS account or will you access the existing AWS account?
Accessing the existing account.
So to access existing AWS account, will I share my credentials like email ID, arvindtrainings@gmail.com, password 123456. Will I share the same details, email ID, password to everyone?
No, it's different for everyone, as you
Yes.
stated earlier.
Yes. I will not share my credentials. These are like root user credentials. I will not share these details. Like if Renuka is joined as a cloud engineer in our project, I will create one IAM user account for Renuka. Username is Renuka, password, one customized password, ABC123456DEF. Now, Renuka has to log into this account using these credentials. So you people are IAM user accounts. You will log in as IAM user accounts. The one who created the account, they will have root user details. Understood now?
Yes, Aravind.
I'm giving my email ID. Whatever you give in the sign up page, you need to enter that email. Password. I have logged into my AWS account. Right now, see, I am in Tokyo region by default. These are the different regions. North Virginia, Ohio, California, Oregon, Mumbai, Osaka, like plenty of regions are there. Right now I'm in Tokyo. That means whatever I do here, that infrastructure is created in Tokyo. If I create any server, that server will be created in Tokyo. If I create any storage database, whatever you do here, that will be created, that infrastructure will be created in Tokyo region, unless you change the region. If I change it to like North Virginia, and if I do here something, now that infrastructure will be created in North Virginia. Is it clear how to switch the regions?
Yeah.
If you want to create
Yes.
any server in Mumbai, then you need to change the region. Change to Mumbai and create here. This is my AWS account name, Aravind Trainings. This is my account ID. And this is to sign out from your account. If you sign out again, same, you need to log in with your email address and password. This is my account name, account ID. Next, AWS. What is the full form of AWS?
Amazon Web Services.
Amazon Web Services.
Amazon Web Services means Amazon company is providing us some services. What are they? These are the services. If you click here, it will show you all the services. Analytics. These all services comes under analytics. Athena, AWS Clean Rooms, Cloud Search, AWS Data Exchange, Amazon Data Firehose, Data Pipeline, all this belongs to analytics services. Next, application integration related. This is a different service. Amazon AppFlow is a different service. Amazon B2B data interchange is a different service. All these are related to application integration, like database related. Amazon Document DB, DynamoDB, Elastic Cache, like RDS, all this comes to database related, compute related. So like this, around 200 plus services are there in Amazon. These are all storage related. Backup, Amazon AWS Backup, EFS, AWS Elastic Disaster Recovery, all are storage related services. Like machine learning related, these are all Internet of Things, these are all IoT related services. Robotics related, AWS RoboMaker, satellite related, ground station, right? Game development related, front end related, end user computing, developer tools, database related, containers related. These are all services in AWS. Out of 200 plus services, we are not going to learn all the 200 services. Even in your project also, you are not going to use all 200 services. Hardly 5 services to 10 services only you will use. You take any project, any company, any country you join, hardly 5 to 10 AWS services only you will work. So what are the main important services, the most important things that we are going to cover in our course? Right. Yes, Ashwini?
Arvind, are we going to cover this lambdas, functions, everything?
Yes.
Okay.
Whatever there in our course curriculum, that services we are going to cover. Lambda is there in
Okay.
curriculum.
Okay, Arvind, thank you.
Now, if you want to search any service, now Ashwini asked a Lambda. So if you want to search for Lambda, type here LAMBDA. Service. Lambda is a service. It is to run code without thinking about servers. So it is showing the service. If you click here, it will open that service. So this is search box to search for any service. This is services list. This is search box to search for any service. And this is a region. This is account related details. This is settings. You can change the settings of your console, like dark means it will show dark, light means light. This is browser default one is light only. Then
So should we learn all those services?
All those means which?
200 plus services are there now.
That's what I'm telling. Not required.
Only 5 to 10.
Sufficient. Nobody will use all the services. See, even if you learn 200 services also, like somehow your self-learning, YouTube, all the way, in your project, you are not going to use them. Not only in your project, in your other project, other company, but anywhere, nowhere they will use all 200 services in a single project are not used. So no need to learn. Nobody will learn also 200 services.
Okay.
Not required to learn also. Right. Next one. Billing. If you want to see how much bills are generated for your AWS account, for what they generated the bills, how much the bills are generating for every month, go to account details, billing on cost management. Once I click on billing and cost management, the region will be also changed. It will become a global. Why? Because billing service is a global service. It is not dedicated for one particular region. It will show the bills of overall AWS account, but it will not show the bills for only North Virginia, only Tokyo, only Mumbai. No, the bills are for overall AWS account. That's why it is switched to global, means for all the regions, overall billing. Global means for overall. Now, if you want to see the bills, how much bill there is for August month, what all services I have used for September. Like I created this account 2 months ago. Like in the month of August, first week, I think I have created. That's why you can see only these 2 months bills. This is for the September month, last 13 days billing period from September 1st to till date. For the last 13 days, it has generated $0.69 billing. Payments due. So you have 2 payments past due. To avoid suspension of your AWS account, it is asking me to pay the bills. Total due amount is 552 rupees. In the month of August, invoice is generated. The invoice amount is 9.21. This is for July month. Billing period is July. For July month, I got the invoice in August. Due is 9 rupees. For August month, I got the invoice in September. On September 2nd, I got the invoice bill, and invoice amount is 542 rupees. I did not pay. Even for September invoice also, I will not pay. They'll see, okay, if I'm not paying the bills, this account will be suspended. Again, I have to create a new account. You might think like it is a free tier account. No, they're giving it for 12 months free. No, why the bills are generating again? Why the bills are generating? Because if you exceed any limits, bills will be generated. Like whatever the services you are using, if you're exceeding the limits, then they'll generate the bills. If you see here, charges by service. These are all different types of services. If you see KMS, for KMS service, they have generated $0.57 billing. For what? $1 per customer KMS, 32 requests like this. For RDS, in Tokyo region, they has generated $0.02. So you can notice like for which service, how much bills they are generating. So these are all services. KDMS is a service, RDS service, CloudWatch service. For which service, how much bills they are generating also you can see. Payment information, we did not pay anything. Yes. So any questions in billing?
No, Aravind.
This is for September. This is for August month. See, billing period is August. Here I got $6.47 billing. So in August month, most of the bills are generated for EC2, Elastic Compute Cloud, that is $3.96. I want to know more details. In Tokyo region, $3.96 bills has been generated. Why? What is the reason? Because I have created a NAT gateway and this NAT gateway ran for 62 hours. The reason I used NAT gateway for 62 hours, that's why the bill has generated. So maybe there is a limitation for NAT gateway. I exceeded that limit. That's why it has generated the bills. Understood?
Yeah.
So whatever the infrastructure you create, make sure to delete also. Otherwise, bills might generate. I'm checking once whether the NAT gateway is still running or it's deleted. Yep, it's already deleted. Not watching. Even in Tokyo, no NAT gateways. Then that is for previous August month. That time I did not delete. 62 hours means how much? Hardly 3 days, I guess. For 3 days, I kept it for running. So I got the bills. Any doubts in billing?
No, fine. You're fine.
So you have ordered something in Flipkart. You have ordered one TV. You paid an online transaction of 70,000. Your TV will be delivered in 2 days. But it's been more than 3 days. Still your TV is not delivered. What will you do?
Contact the customer team.
Contact?
Customer care service.
Take status of transit and then get in touch with customer support.
Because that is the only point of contact, right? Customer support only. Because you don't know that Flipkart store, you will not find any Flipkart store or Flipkart owner nearby your home. You cannot meet them physically. Only way is contacting to customer support. You will tell your details. If you call with your registered number, then they can track all the details, which what orders you have kept, transaction ID, like everything they will track. Similarly, in AWS also, if you have any issues, you can contact to customer team, customer support. There are 3 types of plans, as I have told: basic support, developer support, and business support. The other 2 supports are charges applied, but the basic support is for free of cost. If you have any issues with your account, like account activation or deactivation or any basic related things, you can contact them. Now, how to contact customer support? Question mark, support center. Click on support center. This support is also global, not for one particular region. Overall, for all the regions, you're having the AWS support. Quick solutions. Is it account and billing related or is it technical related? Your query is about technical related or billing and accounting related. If it is technical related, you are trying to create the ticket. It's technical related, but it is throwing some message. This is not in our AWS account. So if you want to get this technical support, free trial, up 60 days business support limited offer, you need to request trial and you need to pay the money, compare plans for different support. developer support, business support. It is showing different options. Why? Because we don't have that. But if it is account and billing related, you will get it for free of cost. I'm showing you once again. If you click on question mark, click on support center. Directly you can create case. Case means ticket. I'm going to create a ticket. What type of issue it is? Account and billing related, it's technical. Technical, we cannot choose. Why? Because our AWS account created with basic support plan. So you can go for this one only. If you want technical related, then you need to upgrade your account. You need to pay $100 per month. It's not required for me now. But in real time, you will have all the support. Go for account and billing. Now, what is the issue? Is it an academic program related, account activation related, billing related? Choose what is your issue. If you find related query, let's say my issue is related to billing. So choose billing category, payment issues or like any updated billing details, like whatever. I am choosing this one. Severity, if you know, next step. Subject. August month. Billing. Issue. Subject and describe your issue about you can describe your issue here. If you have issue related, if you have any attachments also, you can attach that, photos, videos, whatever, any proof. If you want to attach, you can attach. Then next, now click on contact us. Here they are showing 3 options. How do you want to contact to customer support? If you choose web, then they will revert back to your email ID within 24 hours, like whatever the registered email ID for this AWS account, to that to that email ID, they will reply you about this query within 24 hours. If you choose phone, then you need to give your contact details, your country, like right now in which country you are, that mobile number, extension, if anything required. Then they will reach you to using mobile number. You can talk to them. I want to talk, I want to have a chat with them, means you can choose this chat option. Once I click on submit, they will come to online now. See, now one person from AWS support team, he will come to online and he will chat with me, like he or she. They may be from any country, from India, USA, London, Australia, don't know. But one associate will be coming to online now. And they'll try to resolve our issue. So, ticket is created. This is the case ID. This ticket will be associated to some associates in the backend, AWS support team. This is a live chat. This is not a robotic chat. This is a live chat. The other end person will also know complete details about AWS. Like he's a pure technical guy. Afrinas, somebody has joined. Hello, my name is Afrin and I am here to assist you today. While I review your case details, would you please share your name with me? Already, she got the query details, like what is our ticket about. She's reviewing our ticket details. This is just a time pass chat. Just I want to show you how to contact customer support. Okay. You may know the reason for August billing $5. They might take some time, some slow replies only. It's not like WhatsApp chat immediately. So is it clear for everyone how to contact customer support for any issues?
Yeah, Arvind.
So why I'm showing this because, so when you start creating your AWS account, some people use debit card and they'll create the account. You will create your account, but you cannot log in. Sometimes it will show activation issues. Your card details are not verified. So please verify your card. Until then, you cannot log into your AWS account. Some different issues you might face. So in that case, you can contact the customer support to understand the reason why your account is not activated. Not only account activation, different types of issues. If you have any queries related to AWS account, also you can contact to support team. They will guide you. Clearly, they will explain you step by step what to do, how to do. So that's the reason I am showing you how to contact customer support. So no issues, no questions, no doubts, right? Regarding billing. Sorry, not billing, support team.
No. No, Arvind, it's clear.
AWS support center. Remember this again, people, even if after explaining this, like after 30 days, some days, people will ask me how to contact customer support, what to do. It's very simple. Just click on this question mark, AWS like support center. Directly you can raise the ticket and you can contact them. Whatever you are discussing here in the chat, everything will be tracked. See, this is my ticket details, ticket ID, subject, August month billing issue, status, it is saying unassigned, but it actually assigned now if I refresh. Who opened this ticket, opened by this email ID, this account owner has opened this ticket. And whatever we are chatting, we are doing discussions, like everything will be tracked. Each and every ping, whatever I am pinging, everything will be tracked. Okay, enough for me. I want to cancel this. Do you want to end the chat? Yes, I want to end the chat because I don't have any issues. So you see here, your support cases. Today is September 13th, right? So today's ticket details. Whatever we have discussed. Hi, hello, my name is Aravind. This is Aravind. Hello, Aravind. You may not, please allow me, like everything, chat is tracked and this will be sent to your email ID. Like whatever you have discussed, that will be sent to your email. Which email? The registered email with this AWS account. Chat correspondence, everything. So, yeah. Billing related, we discussed account ID. That's all. That's all for today. So your task is to create AWS account before coming to the next class. If you have any questions, you can ask me now.
Arvind, next class is on Monday.
Yes. Next class is on Monday. Any doubts?
Arvind, can you place the first session presentation in our our website? Arvind?
Can you contact to admin team Karthik?
Yeah, okay.
Any questions related to technical side, you can ask me. So no doubts till today, till here.
I have a question. So with regards to the IAM user account, are the options limited, like authorizations and things?
No, you can give access according to your requirement. So I'm creating one IAM user. Now your name?
Vijay.
Okay, I want to give access to you. So I'll create username as your full name. I'll give password to you. I can give limited access to you. I can give complete admin access to you. It depends on the requirement.
So based on the role,
Yes.
the user account.
If you are a developer, I'll give some different access. If you're a tester, I'll give some different access. If you're a fresher, one type of access. If you're an experienced candidate, one type of access. So access can be shared with different levels of permissions. These things will show practically in IAM service.
Okay. And I had an account created earlier. Will that be useful? Or do you want me to create a?
If it is not suspended, you can use.
Okay. Thank you.